Hey, as usual, for this week, I'm in a park in New York. And it's interesting because where I'm sitting right now, we've been here about 30, 40 minutes, and there's three types of music going on all at once around us. There's a guy playing like classical music over there, and then there was a guy playing like sort of like bluesy jazz stuff over there, and then there was some Asian weird flute thing, like out of a kung fu movie, going on over there, and all at once. And in a way, it's kind of cool, you know, like everything's going on and it's all wonderful. But in a way, it's a little annoying because you're just like, well, I don't really know what to listen to. I don't want to, you know, if I focus in on one, it's a bit confusing. There's just three types of music. There it is. It's a little bit like life, you know, sitting around in this park with all this stuff going around, because you can't really stop that everything's going around. Things are always going to be happening in life, but what you can control is what you focus on, you see? And in a way, it's a beautiful thing, because if I really prefer Asian guy's thing, even though maybe the pianist over there is louder or the jazz guy's louder, if I put my attention and I really focus on him, I can hear what he's playing. And if I get bored or I don't like it, I can go, you know what, I don't want to focus on this guy anymore. I want to listen to the other pianist or jazz guy. So, and I think that's a big part of life. I just thought it was like a cute, simple analogy for life. It's like everything's going on. You can't control what's going on, but you can control what you're focusing on and how you feel about it, right? And never to forget that. So if you're really putting your energy on something that doesn't suit you, it doesn't make sense, it doesn't feel right for you for whatever reason, you don't like it, doesn't make you happy, you're out of alignment with it, you can feel on a heart, on a soul level, this is not the thing. Why not focus on something else, right? There's so much going on in life, you know, but we get these blinders on, you know, like the thing they put on a dog when the dog's got fleas and shit. They put this thing on. Dog can't do anything. It's just, you can only basically do this move, and if it does anything else, it's blocked. This is most people right here. This is most people. Oh well, I guess I'll just stop. I won't even look up there now. This is it. This is me now. I'm just going to be looking at that fucking horrible job or that horrible person in my life that I hate, that I'm stuck with, because I know that if I look, even though they took that collar out, you only had it on for 2 weeks for the fleas. They took that thing off you years ago, but you still think it's there. So rather than trying, maybe it's not there. No, just don't even look. Just keep looking at the horrible piece of life that's killing you. So, no. You're in a fucking middle of a park. Everything's going on. Do what you want. Change your focus and free yourself. Don't be an a-hole. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, so it was just a simple thought. And that's all it was. So that's my rant. Get the hell out of here. See you next time.